Hi, this is Lavoni. I'm going to show you how we can make any changes in the website in the home page using the widgets which is present in our CMS. You can find it in here website, then you can go to widget. Then you will find all the widgets listed in here which we have used in the home page, which is before login home page. So for example, we have in total 8 sections. For this section we have this widget landing page section 1. For this section 2 we have this particular widget which is called landing page section 2. Again we have this widget which is called landing page section 3, and so on. So like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, we have total of 8 widgets in the before login home page. So if you want to do any kind of changes, maybe change the particular title, or maybe this text, or maybe you have to change the background image, or you want to give any link for this particular button, so you have to change it in here by clicking the edit button. So for example, if I want to change anything in this particular section, then you have to first know which widget it is which is responsible for this particular section. So this is a widget 2, right? So we have to go to in this particular section, landing page section 2, and we are going to edit this. So you can see for this particular widget we have this section, right? So if you want to change anything, you can directly type it here from the keyboard, right? And you can press save and continue, then it will reflect on the front end. Same goes for if you want to change any text here, you can write it directly here. And if you want to change the background color, for example, background color means background image, if you want to change, right? Say this particular image it is coming, you want to replace it with other image. So what you need to do, you have to have a basic knowledge of coding for that, for changing that. So we are going to go to the source code of this particular widget. Then you can find this image tag, and you can check, and for making sure you can copy this source image and paste it in the new tab. Then you can be sure like this is the particular image which is coming in the background. So for this particular image, if you want to change this image, then what you need to do, you can you can upload it in the image library. Whatever particular image you want to replace with the background, then what you need to do, you have to upload it in the image library, right? So from there we can get the link and we can replace in the widget section. For example, I'll just change the background image and I'll show you how we are doing this. We are going to add an image, upload file. I have already downloaded a background image. The image is looking like this. So I'm going to upload it in the image library. Upload. So we have uploaded it, and for getting the particular image link, if you click on the image itself, right, then you can get the image link, right, which we have recently uploaded. So I'm just going to copy it. I'm going to go to the widget section and the source code, and I'll just change the particular source of the image, right, like this, and I'll press OK. So you can see this background image we have changed like this, right? And again, like for example, if you want to give any link in this particular button, then what you need to do, you have to find it where it is in the source code. I'll like this, we can search get started, and you can give any link for the page which you want to redirect it to. So I'll give it some link like this, say www.test.com. so if you're giving the link like this, then when we are clicking on the get started in the home page in the front end, then it will go to this particular website or particular page. Like this, you can give the link also, and you have to press OK. Then after making all the changes, if you are clicking the save and continue, so you have to clear the cache ones from the website templates and manage template like this. And by pressing this button, the website cache will be cleared, and you can see the changes in the front end. So like this, we are doing all the changes using widgets. So if you have any doubt like regarding the widget name or anything else, then you can always raise a support ticket so that we can help you regarding that. And any changes if you want to do, you have to just find out which widget section is this, and then you can do the changes yourself from the widget section. So that's all from my side. If you have any doubt regarding this, please let us know so that we can help. Thank you.